What's up and welcome to Ray-Ban Can. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an old garage door opener motor assembly. For whatever reason you need to remove this thing for. Either you're replacing it with a new one, the alignment's off, whatever you gotta do, but we're gonna show you how to remove this. Doesn't take too long. First thing first, safety, get your safety glasses. Let's get started. So we got our safety gear on, which is just safety glasses. Next thing we're gonna do is close the garage door. In this case, as you can see, it's already closed. Next, unplug the garage door motor, which is up here. In this case, go ahead and unplug it. Then, we're gonna come along here, pull this string to detach the garage door from the actual rail system itself. Now the garage door at this point is free roaming, as you can see. Next thing we're gonna do is disconnect these wires right here from the back of this garage door motor. Just simply use a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the 3 screws and just pull the wires out. These wires pull right out. Now this thing is entirely disconnected. And I'm also gonna unwind the wires. The person that installed this kind of winded the wires, as you can see, around here and all around this area right here. So we're gonna unwind these and then we're gonna take this whole assembly down. Now that we have the door wires unraveled, we're going to disassemble the door arm. We're going to remove this, what's supposed to be a cotter pin, out of the clevis pin. Now we can remove this clevis pin. The door arm will come down, so make sure you have a hand on it to let it down slowly. Now we're going to continue to disassemble this door arm. We're going to use our wrench to loosen up these 2 bolts. This is the last bolt to remove, and the door arm should come down. Make sure you hold on to it so it does not fall on your head. Now we're going to dismount the rail from its bracket. This is pretty simple. Remove the cotter pin first out of the clevis pin, and then in my case I had to hammer the clevis pin out just a little bit, pop it out, and now the rail is officially free. Just let it rest on the tension springs for now. Now let's go back to the motor, and we're gonna have 2 bolts on each side. We're gonna loosen both of those bolts out, take them out, and lower the motor down slowly. It definitely helps to have 2 people. In my case, I did it by myself, but if you got a second person, please use them. And don't drop your tools like me. And there you have it. The entire motor and rail assembly is detached. And the last thing to do is dismount the header bracket. I always do this part last. This doesn't take that long. Just 2 bolts and set it aside. And that's it. Once you got that taken down, the entire project is complete. Now, yeah. So if you know anyone that can use this information, please share this with them. Like, subscribe, comment, questions, let me know, all that. Also, if you want to know how to install a brand new garage door motor, I have that coming up in my next video. So take care and thanks for watching.